Hello viewers, welcome to Knowledge Point. Today we are going to discuss about a business plan, a effective and efficient business plan. Let's move to my business idea which I have built a few days ago, my business idea report. Let's move to table of contents. Here are different contents. Let's start from first one. Why start a hospital business? Industry review, executive summary, name of business, our services, our mission and vision statement, business structure, business rules and responsibilities, SWOT analysis, target market, publicity and advertisement strategy, startup expenditure, and some useful links. Let's move to first content. Why start a hospital business? Starting a hospital is one of those businesses that require you to first look at the existing laws in the country or that state you reside. Before going all out to start the business, this is so because this is there is hardly any country that does not pay serious attention to their health sector. The health industry usually high regulated so as to guide against the infiltrations of quacks or substandard hospital or health facilities. If you have interest in starting your own hospital business, then you will need to pay a visit to the health and medical regulatory both in your country, different department, Ministry of Health and Medical Services to get all the needed information that is required before you can legally start your own hospital business in your city. The business plan must be effective before we have to start this kind of business. Okay, let's move to second content. Let's review the industry all over the world industry. No doubt the healthcare care cum medical industry of which hospital business is a subset of its perhaps one of the fastest growing and largest industry in the world. This is so because the wealth of any nation depends on the health of the nation. Yes, it is a great quote. Obviously, there is a hardly any country where the healthcare industry is not handled with all seriousness. As a matter of fact, the healthcare industry is known to gulp well over 10% of gross domestic product of most developed countries. Basically, a health provider is a health professional such as nurse or doctors at all or any establishment such as hospital, medical clinic or healthcare center facility that provides preventive, curative, professionally rehabilitative or palliative healthcare medical services in a systematic way to individual families or communities. Let's move to third content, executive strategy. Summary of my business. One Touch Hospital is the licensed and certified hospital located in urban areas. But the name of my business will be One Touch Hospital. We have been able to acquire a standard facility that is highly suitable for the kind of hospital business we want to operate. One Touch is the hospital to provide healthcare services such as inpatient care, outpatient care, body pathology services, diagnostic X-ray services, clinical laboratory services, operating room services, and other medical services. We are we are a well-trained and equipped to service the market segment that require healthcare services. We are all in the hospital business to deliver excellent healthcare services to all those who will patronize our services. We will also ensure that in the line of carrying out our duty, we comply with the laws and health regulations in different countries and in my country. Our employees are well trained and qualified to handle the wide range of healthcare services. One Touch Hospital will operate 24/7 days in a week healthcare services. Our hospital will be open around the clock to attend the clients. We have a standard medical care call center that is managed by trained health workers. This is a small executive summary of my business. You can take a help if you want to start your own business. Thank you. Let's move to my name of the my hospital, One Touch Hospital. Our services. We are providing different services in different departments. These are the healthcare services that One Touch Hospital will be offering. Inpatient care, outpatient care, access services, diagnostic services, clinical laboratory services, operating room services, case management, cardiology, child ward, physical therapy. Let's move to my mission and vision. Our vision is to become the number one choice when it comes to healthcare service deliveries in the whole of my city and also to the among the top 20 hospital healthcare services provided in my country within the next 10 years. One Touch Hospital is established to first class hospital that will take care of both highly placed clients and lowly placed clients and long as they can offer our services. We want to become one of the leaders of hospital cum health services industry in my city and my country. Let's move to my business structure. One Touch Hospital is business that will build a solid foundation. From the outset, we have decided to recruit all only qualified professional doctors, dentists, surgeons, opticians, nurses, nurses aides, chiropractors, medication management counselors, physical therapists, and other health and non-health workers. Main various job positions in organizations. These are the positions that will be available at One Touch Hospital: Chief Medical Officer, Chief Executive Officer, doctors, surgeons, dentists, pharmacists, nurses helpers, information technologists, contacts, admins and human resource managers, sales and marketing executives, accountant, cashiers, customer care executives, and cleaners. All of these positions are very important and will be present in my hospital. Let's move to business rules and responsibilities. As mentioned in the video, chief medical director and CEO will have the following responsibilities. Doctors will have the following. Pharmacists will be perform according to their responsibilities. Nurses will perform according to theirs. Sales and marketing manager perform their services according to their policies. Thank you. Information technologies manage the organization website online. Accountant and cashier will manage the financial services. Thank you. And cleaner will be responsible for the cleanery of the hospital. Let's move to SWOT analysis. Strength, weakness, and opportunity analysis. Strengths. Our strengths lie in the fact that we have a team of well qualified professional men manning various service positions in our hospital. As a matter of fact, they are some of the best hands in the whole of city, Faisalabad. Our location, the business model will be operating on opening 24 hours daily and 7 days in a week, multiple payment options, well-equipped medical care center, and our excellent customer service culture will definitely count as strong strength for us. Weaknesses. We have very less weaknesses. Our precise weakness lies in the point that we are starting out, and we may not have the required finance to sustain the kind of publicity that we attend giving the business and also finance needed for the acquiring some of the latest medical and surgical equipment. This is our weaknesses because we are starting a new business. Weaknesses are related to it. Opportunities. The opportunity that are available to hospitals, healthcare services providers are unlimited considering the fact that hospitals not only meant for those who are sick and need treatment, people who are not sick may be required to conduct routine medical checkups from time to time, and we are going to positions our hospital to make the best out of the opportunity that will be available in our city. Thank you. Some of the threats we will face while starting our business. Just like an earlier business, one of the major threats that we're likely going to face is economic downturn and unfavorable government policies. It is a fact that economic downturn affects purchasing power, and the threat that may likely confront us is the arrival of new and bigger, well-established hospital or healthcare brand in some location where our hospital is located. These are also threats of our target market. Our customer can be categorized in the following: the whole resident within the area where our hospital is located, expectant mothers, injured persons, injured sportsmen and women, corporate organizations such as banks, insurance companies, manufacturing companies, oil and gas companies, sector schools, health management organizations. These are our target market. Publicity and advertisement strategy. We will use different strategies. Following are the strategies: place advert on both print, newspaper, and magazines and electronic media platforms, sponsor relevant community health programs, leverage on the internet and social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Google Plus, et al. To promote our brand. Install our billboards on strategic location all on our our surrounding our areas to which are related to our hospitals. Engage in road show from time to time. Distribute our brochures and pamphlets in target areas. Ensure that all workers wear our branded shirts and all our vehicles and ambulances are well branded with our company's logo. Here is the startup budget. We are not going to discuss our startup, but it depends on your business plan and it depends on the strategy. These are some useful links. Thank you. I hope you get a better business strategies from my report. Take care. Allah Hafiz.